today, sir?
Pretty good. This is my 70 Duster. Gentleman rebuilt it. Took 4 years to rebuild it. He put a 360 engine in it. He replaced all the floorboards, tied the frame together, and narrowed the back, moved the springs in, did a lot of basic work, frame and all. And,
how long have you had the car?
About 2 weeks.
Oh, wow. So
Yeah.
what made you pick this one out?
I had one like this back in the early 80s, 70s that I built myself, and I've always appreciated it. And been looking for one for 2 or 3 years, and found it on Marketplace and brought it up here, and starting to do some detail work to it, and trying to restore it, keep it as much.
So when you seen it in person, what was your first impression?
Wow. It was good looking. It was the colors and the paint really made the whole car pop, and the engine sounds good in it.
So what kind of car is this again?
A 1970 Plymouth Duster. They had the name badges changed. When they were 6 cylinders, they were considered Valiants, but the Dusters were the ones with the 8-cylinder engines in it, the 318, 340. Of course, the 340 was a little different. This one, he pulled it out and put a small block 360 engine in it. We put bigger engines in cars when I was young, and I think the biggest engine we ever put one was a 383 and a 64 Valiant. We used that for drag racing. A buddy of mine had a 68 Roadrunner. We had put a 440 5,000 stall converter with 513 gears in it. We ran it 8 miles for a lot of years.
So what got you into cars?
I was a mechanic. I was a mechanic for 50 years. Worked on heavy trucks and fire trucks, semi trucks, and just always had an interest in it. And trying to get my son interested in it now. So he's 18, so we see if we can get him started in the hobby.
So doing all that work on trucks, have you ever had a truck?
Pickup trucks, but no semi trucks. Too much work.
I got you.
It's been a lot of fun over the years. Met a lot of good people. I lived over in Americus, Georgia, for quite a few years. There was a couple of Top Fuel motorcycles that used to race over there, and George Bryce and Charles Israel used to do a lot of racing over there.
Okay. So have you kept everything original in the car?
No, I've only had it a couple of weeks, and I want to try to keep the other details, the small details, up to where everything's pretty much original. But it's a lot of work trying to track down parts and things. But it's a lot of fun. You meet a lot of good people.
All right, man. Appreciate your time.
Sure, anytime.